Just imagine not being broke.
You're broke!
Today, let's find your six-figure income source so you can stop being broke. I'll be sharing my six-figure income source journey, which went from a regular job to a business. I have lots of tips for you in this video, so stick around. I see too many people on YouTube pushing the unlikely millionaire path. I'm here to show you how I got to six figures with a lower risk and higher chance approach. My name is Benji. Welcome to the channel. Hit that subscribe button if you find value in these videos, but let's begin. So how I would begin is maybe get out a notepad or something, write down 10 to 15 money-making service ideas, pretty much regular jobs that need a skill. Research their earning potential and their work demand, so how hard it is on your body. Once you did this research, maybe have top 3 to 5 left over, and then you just have to try them. I would focus on the higher paying jobs and the least amount of labor required. For example, in my case, it's tile and grout restoration, so that would be a good option for you. Trucking and constructions were two of my options that I tried as well. But you don't have to try them, and I wouldn't really get into them ever again. But if you're in them, you still have a good chance. The key is learning job skills, overall skills that will help you in the future business, and no one can take that away from you. I pretty much mentioned the 3 things I tried: tile and grout restoration, trucking, construction. So for trucking, I made about $1,600 a week starting. This got very boring, driving 11 hours straight, so I just immediately cut it out of my options. You can make 6 figures here working for someone, even more for yourself. It just takes more money invested to get there. And then construction, when I tried it, didn't really pay much in the beginning, maybe $500 a week or something small just to be a helper. And it's also hard on your body carrying all these 50-pound bags and everything. But here it's more about learning the skill, so later on you can be subcontracted or something, make more money. And even just having your own business later with your own jobs. But compared to the tile and grout job that I did, it pays less and it's more involved work and it's more stress, so that's not an option for me. So getting into that tile and grout restoration, last option that I tried. Like I mentioned, it's the easiest physical labor and it pays the most out of what I tried. It's what I do right now to make 6 figures, so consider that for your option. You might like it. It's just a little more detailed than the rest. I've seen over 3K checks made in a day with my own business, so just keep that in mind when you're looking for options of what to do. So how did I reach 100K per year with a regular job, you ask? Well, I got really skilled at what I do, and then I got quick as well, so I was able to do more in a day. I would say that's pretty good without taking any risk of your own money, just working for someone, a regular job, and making 6 figures. And then you ask, why did I stop this and make my own business? Well, there's a cap. When you work for someone, you're just gonna stay stagnant. And the next thing to progress is starting your own business, which is the goal. This next step gave me no cap, just unlimited potential and then the freedom I want, but not the full financial freedom yet until I build it bigger. You can reach your 6-figure goals with a job, but for most jobs it takes too long to get there, and then you pretty much just stay stagnant. It's hard to grow. However, these service jobs are really underestimated. It's a skill you learn. You don't lose that skill. They're definitely more involved, local, hands-on compared to something you make money online. The chance of success is much higher. Personally, I didn't consider anything retail or food service just because it starts so low paying and you have to scale it so high, put so much time and money that just wasn't worth it to me. Start something soon, right now. Don't hesitate, don't wait, so you can start learning your skill. Embrace every challenge so you can be able to grow and learn. Practice talking to customers to get that customer service skill. and ask a lot of questions to whoever's training you so you can get every single aspect, skill of that work. You need these basic skills to get to the next step of creating your own business and making 6 figures plus. This is step 1 out of 5 from this video right here. How to make 6 figures, 5 steps of doing so. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this any helpful to you, please hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next video.